Hello, what's up everybody? It's the crypto hype man back at it again with another brand new video, and today I just want to answer a quick question that you guys have been asking me for the longest period of time. So basically you're watching this video because you're probably wondering what cryptocurrency is the best to invest in as of today. Today is actually 24th May 2017. So you're actually trying to find the most profitable coin for you. So this is pretty much what we're going to talk about today. And let me just give you the best answer that I can think of right now for those of you who have got like a very short attention span. Yeah, so Digibyte is the best cryptocurrency for your money right now. Digibyte, Steam, Pivx, what else? Nem, Golem, yeah, Stratis. These are pretty much the best coins to put your money into. So after that has all been said and done, let's get to the technical analysis of everything. And I just want to show you my point of view, because when investing money, you really have to think about everything. So big shout out to all my new subscribers. I literally created this channel 5 days ago, and we are 100 subscribers already. So that means the cryptocurrency market is just totally growing, which is very good. So if the market is really expanding, that means more money and more profits. Yeah, so one of my subscribers, Topa Rob, actually said Bitcoin and Ethereum are on their peaks, but Bitcoin has never had a bigger decrease. I want to make my first buys on the big Ethereum and Bitcoin. Do you think this is now the right time for it, or is the possibility of the decrease a reason to wait? Best regards. All right, okay, so that was very hard to understand, but he's obviously trying to find out what cryptocurrency should he invest in. Should he invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum? All right, so this is what we're going to do. Let's hypothetically say that you guys have got like $1,000 US dollars to invest in, because I think this is pretty much a reasonable amount of money that you should be willing to sacrifice, or rather to invest in. Let's suppose you've got $1,000 US dollars to invest into cryptocurrencies. What's the best move for you? What's the best decision you can ever make? Can't really talk today because I had a very bad day. All right, so let's go to BTC. Let's go to this site right over here. This is just a site that I use to buy Bitcoins using fiat money. So it's just an exchange like Coinbase. Yeah, it accepts fiat currency. So if you look at the price of Bitcoin per US dollar at the moment, one Bitcoin is equivalent to 2,345 US dollars. Okay, and let's suppose you're willing to spend all your money just to get you some Bitcoins. Let's say Bitcoin, so if you were to invest $1,000 into Bitcoins, right? How many Bitcoins are you going to be able to, generate using your 1,000 US dollars? So let's do this. 0.45. If you literally can't even get half a Bitcoin using $1,000. All right, so let's take it down a little bit. Let's do this. 0.42, 0.429, 0.427. 0.426. All right, okay. So if you had to invest your 1,000 US dollars into Bitcoin as of today, remember today is May 24th, 2017. This is how many Bitcoins you would get. So let's get back to our Microsoft Word. There you go. Microsoft Word. So this is what you would actually get. BTC. Okay, and let's go to Ethereum. If you had to invest $1,000 into Ethereum, how many Ethereum coins are you going to get? Where's Ethereum US dollar, right over here. Okay, so the price is $190 per Ethereum. And let's say I had 4.5, well, 4.3, 5.39. Nope. Nope. No. 3.2. No. All right. Let's just keep it at okay, like that, 5.25. So with 1,000 US dollars, you can get 5.24 Ethereums. Can I say Ethereums? Okay. So let's just go back to our Microsoft Word document. Ethereum is equal to 5.24. Like that. Okay. So this is how much your 1,000 is worth. Okay. So hypothetically speaking, if you had to like literally invest all your money, all your 1,000 US dollars into Bitcoin, you might get 0.426 Bitcoin. In Ethereum, 5.24, which is not really life-changing. Okay. And let's hypothetically say that along the long run, let's say, after 12 months, after a year, the price of Bitcoin is going to be, let's say, what's the price of Bitcoin at the moment? 2,368. All right. Let's just say the price of Bitcoin is going to be 3,500 per Bitcoin. That's after 12 months. Okay. So what amount of profit are you going to generate from your initial purchase? Okay. So hypothetically speaking, after 12 months, Bitcoin is going to be 3,500 per Bitcoin. That's just hypothetically speaking. Okay. So now let's try to calculate how much profit we would have had made if we actually spent $1,000. So let's get a calculator. Where is my calculator? Right over there. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to multiply 0.426. That's the amount of Bitcoins that we currently own. Okay. Multiplied by 3,500. How much money is that going to be? Okay. So if you decide to sell your Bitcoins, right? This is the profit that you're going to get. Profit, BTC. So your initial investment was 1,000 US dollars, right? And the money that you would get after you sold it would have been $1,491. So 1,491 US dollars, subtract $1,000. So that's actually 491 US dollars. So after waiting for 12 months, you would have made 491 as your profit from your initial 1,000 US dollar investment into Bitcoin. All right. So just keep that in mind. Okay. So this is the profit that you would have had if you waited for like 12 months, and the price of Bitcoin was 3,500. That's just hypothetically speaking. So just keep this, price in mind right over here. 491,000. That's going to be your profit after waiting for 12 months. Okay. So now let's move over to Ethereum pretty fast right here, because I'm trying to like literally make this video not as boring as hell. Okay. So let's hypothetically say that the price of Ethereum after 12 months is going to be, right now the price is 191, right? Let's say the price of Ethereum jumps over to, let's say, 350 US dollars per Ethereum. Okay, that's just hypothetically speaking. I'm not saying this is going to be the exact figure, So let's look at the profit. How much profit would we have made from Ethereum if we decided to sell our 5.25 Ethereum at the price of 350? All right, so let's get our calculator right over here. So 5.24 multiplied by 350. So our money, we would actually get 1,834. Okay, 1,834. That's the amount of money we would have gotten. All right, now let's look at the profits. Yeah, I meant to do that. Then profit from Ethereum. Man, just bear with me. I'm so sorry, but I just have to do this. This is going to really make sense when I finish the video. Just hold on. So $1,834 subtract 1,000 US dollars. So your profit would be $824. Okay, so that's your profit after waiting for 12 months. So Bitcoins, you're having 491. Ethereum, you're going to have 824. All right, so that's the profit that you would have made for just putting your money into either Bitcoin or Ethereum for like 12 months. And if you look at these numbers, they are literally not life-changing at all. 491, that would probably get you some, I don't know, you probably get a laptop or something. So this is the price, this is the profit that you would make. Okay, so Ethereum gets you about 824, Bitcoin gets you about 491. Not very significant, life-changing money. All right, but imagine if you had to use this same 1,000 US dollars and you decided to invest it into another cryptocurrency. Okay, because what's really happening right now we are like in a bubble. Like everybody is literally just finding out about cryptocurrencies. So like there's huge potential in cryptocurrencies. Remember what happened in 2001, right? During the .com bubble, right? Remember Google, remember MySpace, remember Facebook, remember what really was happening. Like everybody was like walking into this uncharted territory and everybody was just like literally discovering what the thing might turn into. But this time around, this is literally happening over and over, but only with cryptocurrencies. Okay, so apparently there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are like the top big guys right over here and they are leading the charts. Okay, so that doesn't really mean that all these other altcoins or rather alternative coins don't have really the potential of being the best or rather on top in the long run. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind. Remember, do you guys remember that website called MySpace, right? During the early 2000s, right? MySpace was one of the best websites out there, and along the way it literally just died because other websites came about. YouTube literally took over. All right, so things happen. Like just because you see Bitcoin and Ethereum topping the charts right now doesn't mean it's going to be forever like that, because there's a lot of things that happen along the years. There's a lot of technological advancements that might occur, and apparently a lot of people are complaining about Bitcoin. They're saying Bitcoin is way too slow. We need something better. So there's going to be a lot of developments which are going to happen, and who knows, maybe Bitcoin is going to be worthless. Maybe. I'm just saying here. I'm just hypothetically talking here, cause anything might happen. So let's say you decide to choose an alternative cryptocurrency coin which has got great potential, and before you do any investment, please make sure you do your due diligence. I almost spoke in Russian, by the way. I'm staying in Russia, so in case you're wondering. So yeah, I speak Russian as well, so I almost say something in Russian. Yeah, so before you invest in anything, make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure you research. Make sure that the cryptocurrency that you're going to put your money in, make sure that you literally believe in them, okay? Because they might run away with your money. That's the worst case scenario, okay? And let's suppose you choose another alternative cryptocurrency which has got potential to be one of the best. Remember what really happened to Instagram? Instagram literally came along, the line right before other sites were already established like Facebook, but Instagram became one of the leading, websites out there, you know, one of the leading social media websites out there. So there's always chance for growth. There's always going to be better cryptocurrencies out there. So don't be afraid to look, you know, besides Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, there's always going to be other cryptocurrency coins out there which have got literally almost great potential to like really make it big. Okay, so let me give you another literal example. Let's look at Bitcoin Plus. Bitcoin Plus is one of the cryptocurrencies which actually did very well this year. And if we actually look at, you know, the coin market cap right here, we've got its history and we've got all the information that we need to find out about Bitcoin Plus. Okay, so let's suppose you still have this 1,000 US dollars, right? And you came across Bitcoin Plus and you decided to put your money into Bitcoin Plus, right? And let's just take it back to last year in September 2016. If you look at the price of, Bitcoin Plus, right? In September 2016, this is actually on 14th September 2016. The price, as you can see, is $1.12 per Bitcoin Plus coin. Okay, so imagine if you had 1,000 US dollars in September 2016 and you really wanted to like invest into cryptocurrencies and you came across Bitcoin Plus. All right, so you would have actually spent you would have actually spent $1.12 on one Bitcoin Plus coin. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. So let's go back to our Microsoft Word document. So let's do this. So Bitcoin Plus. Okay, let me just reduce the size. Yeah, Bitcoin Plus, the price was $112 per coin, right? Okay, and imagine if you had 1,000 US dollars and you invested in Bitcoin Plus in September 2016. Okay, by the way, this is September 2016. Okay, yeah, let me just do that so that it can be clear. September 2016. Okay, and you have 1,000 US dollars, so you decide to like risk everything and put your money into Bitcoin Plus. Okay, so let's go to the calculator. 1,000 divided by $1.12. Okay, so if you actually bought Bitcoin Plus coins in September 2016, you would have actually received 892.9 Bitcoin Plus coins. 892.9 Bitcoin Plus. Okay, so your 1,000 US dollars would have been worth 892.9 Bitcoin Plus coins as of September 2016. And let's suppose you waited to, you've been keeping your Bitcoin Plus, right? Till, this is May, right? Yeah, till May. All right. So September till May 2017. How much money would you have made by investing your 1,000 US dollars into Bitcoin Plus, hypothetically speaking? All right. So if you had made your initial investment and look at the price of Bitcoin Plus today. Today it's actually $81.55. Okay. So this is the money you would have sold your Bitcoin Plus coins at. So yeah. So today, now let's look at the profits. Yeah, profit. Yeah, we multiply 81.55 multiplied by the coins that we had, right? Multiplied by 892.9 Bitcoin Plus coins Bitcoin Plus. So how much are we going to get? How much money would we have realized from September 2016 till May 2017? All right, so let's just quickly multiply that. 81.5. So this number right over here, 892 Bitcoin Plus coins multiplied by the price of Bitcoin Plus today, which is $81. $81.55. Okay, so multiply this by 81.55. So if you had made your initial $1,000 investment into Bitcoin Plus, you would have actually made $72,812 US today. Okay, so let me just write that down. So this is how much, you know, your Bitcoin Plus is going to be worth today. We're 812. Let me just do that. I'm so sorry, it's taking forever. 812. Okay, remember, for us to get the profit, we have to subtract the initial investment that we made, which is $1,000, you know, because we have to realize our profit, you know. So 72,812 subtract $1,000, so that's going to be, yeah, that's going to be 71,812. Okay, so if you really analyze and scrutinize this whole venture, what do you think is the smart move to make? Should you invest $1,000 only to get 0.426 Bitcoins, or rather invest, $1,000 to get 5.24 Ethereum, or it's much more smarter to actually invest in an altcoin, Bitcoin Plus, which was $1.12 in 2016, and today it's way worth $81.55. So if I do the mathematics, I see that I'm getting 71,812 profit today for literally waiting for I don't know, 8 months since September last year, right? I hope my mathematics is right. Okay, so you literally would have had made $71,812 for, only waiting for 8 months. Okay, and you would have made 491 if you had invested in Bitcoins, and you would have made 824 if you had invested in Ethereum. So as you can see, what I'm trying to say right now is, there's always room for growth. Cryptocurrencies are forever going to be increasing in price. That's the main point over here. Okay, and if you don't really have a lot of money, if you've got a limited budget, it's very wise for you to invest most of your money into alternative coins. Then 25% of your money, put it into either Bitcoin or Ethereum. So that's just what I'm trying to say. So I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. So this is pretty much the point that I was trying to show you guys. So it's much more smarter for you to identify and invest in an alternative cryptocurrency coin which has got the potential to literally increase in value by 1,000 times, or rather by 10,000 times. So that's just the point. Don't just look at the big guys. Don't literally look at the big guys and say, this is where I'm going to put all my money, because you might literally make very little amount of profit by the end of the year. So just be wise and just try to diversify your money. Of course, you can put some money into Bitcoin, Ethereum, but just realize that you're not really going to make substantial profits by the end of the year or in the long run, if you get my point. So The other question that really remains is, how do you identify, an alternative cryptocurrency coin which has got literally the same potential, to be as big as either, Bitcoin or Ethereum? It's pretty simple. You have to look at what the cryptocurrency has to offer. You have to look at the community. You have to look at the team. You have to look at its background, about its history, and literally just make your decision from there. Okay, so I personally have been looking at a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Like, I'm so obsessed with cryptocurrencies, and the first thing that I do when I wake up is check the prices and see what's going on with all these cryptocurrencies. Okay, so just to give you like, I don't know, maybe these coins might not do well, maybe they might even disappear, who knows? But I personally think, NEM is going to be one of them. And apparently, as of today, the price of NEM is 0.26, dollars. So yeah, NEM, look at it. It's pretty amazing. Ripple is also a very great coin, but I wouldn't advise you to like put a whole lot of money into Ripple, because Ripple is actually very centralized, and the whole idea of cryptocurrencies is having no authority over your coins, your value, your money, but if you look at Ripple and Stellar Lumens, where the hell is Stellar Lumens? Yeah, Ripple and Stellar Lumens are actually doing the opposite of what cryptocurrencies are actually meant to do, but it has to be like that, because eventually banks are going to want the piece of the pie, because they wouldn't just let, other cryptocurrencies like become very valuable without them doing anything. Because, banks have been in existence like since forever, so they just had to do this. But if you really want to like put your money into Ripple, I wouldn't advise you to like put your money like into Ripple for like the longest run, because anything might happen, because it's pretty much controlled, but anyway, you can put your money into Ripple and Stellar Lumens, but don't put your money into Stellar Lumens or Ripple for like the longest period of time, because you might never know what might happen. Okay, then you can also look at where's Golem? Yeah, you can also look at Golem. Golem is a pretty decent one, and it's really improving. It's actually grown by 42% right now, and I actually bought it when it was like 13 cents, and it's very amazing to like see how fast everything is going right now. And by the way, you can also look at Stratis. Stratis is also very good. It's booming right now. Yeah, you can also look at Pivx. Where the hell is Pivx? Let me just type everything. Pivx. Yeah, you can also look at Pivx. Very decent cryptocurrency coin. Then you can also look at Steam. Oh, by the way, Steam is going to be very, very, very profitable along, like in the near future, because Steam is one of those coins which has got like a dedicated fan base. Like, you've got a lot of Steam fans out there, and they're building a community. So you better look into Steam. Steam is literally going to be the Facebook of the future, so Steam, you better check this one out. Okay, so which other ones do I know? This one. Digibyte is a great one. You should look into this one. Then you can also look into Sia Coin. Okay, so these are pretty much the best cryptocurrencies that I can think of, which I know for sure that they're definitely going to increase in value along the way. But in case you guys have got any other cryptocurrency coins that you would definitely recommend me to look at, all you gotta do is let me know in the comment section below. All right, but getting back to the most profitable coin, which is going to really make you a whole lot of money in the long run, I think this coin right over here, Digibyte, this coin right over here, you better look out for it. Okay, this coin right over here is going to be the biggest coins, I don't know, 5 years from now, I don't know, 3 years from now, I don't know, maybe 10 years from now, who knows? But get it while it's cheap. Digibyte, because it's very innovative. It's 20 times faster than Bitcoins. It already has got, SegWit. Games are going to be using Digibyte. You've got, Minecraft, League of Legends, Counter-Strike Go. So this is what we are talking about. Cryptocurrencies are supposed to be unique. You wouldn't expect, like, for example, let me talk about Litecoin briefly. I know there's a lot of Litecoin fans out there, but, you guys are just going to kill me because I really think Litecoin, for example, Litecoin is literally a copy of Bitcoin. That's it. Litecoin doesn't do anything apart from being, a young brother to Bitcoin. The only thing that Litecoin at the moment has is it recently activated SegWit. That's it. So it's like faster than Bitcoin and whatever. But apart from that, there's nothing which is literally unique about Litecoin. You might look at the price and say, "Woo, it's $34. That means it might mean something." Well, it's because Litecoin was, popular from way back, so people were like, "Oh, let me buy another cryptocurrency. Let me put my money into Litecoin," and eventually it grew up like that. But literally, it doesn't do anything. But if you look at other cryptocurrencies like, Golem is going to be, people are going to be able to rent out some processing space, let me not even talk about it because I might just sound ignorant. But if you look at Golem is actually part of the Ethereum whatever network, and it's going to be helping people rent out processing power to whoever needs to use it. So if you look at that, the concept, the idea behind the coin, it's very amazing. It's very, innovative. That's what you're supposed to look at. Don't just buy any coin for the sake of, putting your money into it. Because there's, the more cryptocurrencies arise in the market, the more competition is going to be required of them. It's all about providing the best services and the best facilities. So don't just buy any cryptocurrency for the sake of putting your money into that cryptocurrency. Look at the long term, goals, the long-term future of a cryptocurrency. So yeah, that's pretty much what I think about it. And just make sure to rewatch this video in 2018, okay? So you guys can thank me later, all right? So yeah, I'm going to have this YouTube channel on YouTube forever. So, I might look back and say, boy, was I right? Or I might say, man, you are so dumb, So yeah, either way, I'm just pretty much excited to be, alive at this particular time because cryptocurrencies are the next big thing, and a lot of you have been wondering, like, is it too late? Is it, did I miss the train? Hell no. There's a whole lot of time for you to make a lot of money, by the way. And in case you guys are into trading of cryptocurrencies, by the way, you can multiply your cryptocurrency worth by actually trading, but it's very risky. That's why you need to have a professional, besides you to guide you and everything. But you can, that's one way of, increasing, your cryptocurrencies by actually trading them, because, the prices go up or they come down. That's just what it is. They go up, they come down. So you better look for those sweet spots where you can make some profits and, jump right back in when the prices go down. And like that, you get your money, you get your profits, and everybody's happy. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was thinking about, the best cryptocurrency in 2017/2018. I hope that was pretty understandable. Remember what I did over here. $1,000 can literally make you 71,812 if you really invest it smartly, But, just go with your gut feelings and just make smart decisions. That's all I'm saying. So you better do your research. Make sure you focus and put your money into something which is going to multiply. And if it multiplies by 1,000, bravo. So I think that's about it. This video has been too long for no reason. So yeah, and by the way, please forgive me, English is not really my native language, so so it's whatever. So I hope you guys had a great time. come on, let's talk to each other, you know, because you might give me some tips, you know, I might give you some tips, you know, I might tell you that you know, Digibyte, for example, is going to be worth a lot of money in the near future, and in case you buy it, you might be able to like you know, make some profit, and everybody's happy. It's all about helping each other out. And by the way, that's why I really like cryptocurrencies, because I just love the community, you know. The community, the cryptocurrency community is so very good, you know, so very welcoming, regardless of race, whatever. Everybody's like equal, and that's one of the reasons I really love cryptocurrencies. I've never had any bad experience. For example, you know, whenever I talk about cryptocurrencies to people, they really understand me, you know. It's like, oh, family, la familia, you know. All right, so I think that's about it. It's been your boy Crypto Hype, and I'm definitely out of here. I'll be back again tomorrow with another brand new video. Take care, and hasta la vista, baby.